Aray! Oh my gosh, yung talaga akong kasama. Parang akong binochok. Ayan, unti na lang. Baka next time oh my gosh, nago yung... Hi guys, it's another day and it's another vlog. I'm Kylie, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so because I upload videos that you will surely love. Well, today we have a special PR package from Megan Beauty. I'm so thankful, I'm so grateful because it's my first time to receive anything from them. So this is how the PR package looks like. So medyo na siya. Nalukot, pero yeah. Napansin ko mas nagka-appeal pala sila talaga nung naging endorser nila si Maymay. Ang unang-una ko nang ibibida sa inyong binigay nila is itong bago nilang limited edition na Peel Off Glitter Mask Set. Ito, plano ko pa lang siya bilhin. Tapos, andito na. Buti na lang. Anyway, these products came from Livestrong. Ito, Livestrong Marketing Incorporated. Ayan. So, marami pa pala silang ibang products. Kasi sila rin pala nag-distribute nito sa Philippines. So, may binigay rin silang calendar sa akin. Next is Megan Makeup Remover Facial Wipes enriched with collagen extract. This one is very interesting. So, parang first time ko ata makita to sa kanila. It's Megan Instant Hair Retouch Hair Mascara. So, pagka may gray hair ka, sila titos and titas. So, pag may gray hair ka, all you need to do is to brush to the roots. Ano ba ito yung naman focus? Nice. Ayan. Tapos, they also gave me, yes, the mask. The mask. They gave me 2 facial sheet masks, which are with volcanic ash extract. So, this one is, maybe this will be my first time to try a mask with a different color. And this one is black. They also gave me their very classic Megan Detox Enlightening Peel of Clay Mask. I think this is one of their best sellers. And this one as well, the Megan Purifying Nose Pore Strips. So, excited na ulit akong ilagay sila sa pagmumukha ko at gumanda ulit. Oh my gosh. Meron pa, Megan 98% Aloe Vera Facial Cleansing Foam. Plano ko maghilamos using this one. Ayan. Ang very last but not the least, binigyan nila ako ng Megan Brazilian Blow Straight Hair Polish for dry and frizzy hair, lightweight and non-greasy with keratin extras. So, in this video, the primary agenda is to try Megan's limited edition Peel Off Glitter Mask Set. Ta-da! I really wanna try this out kasi ito yung mga napapanood ko sa mga vloggers sa ibang bansa na meron silang mask na nilalagay tapos glitter. So, it's so nice na meron na tayo dito sa Philippines ng something like that. And feeling ko social ako pag ginawa ko yun. So, ayan. Inaayos ko lang ring light. Oh my gosh. Ring light cooperate me. Ayan. Patay na yung ilaw. So, ayan. Going back to this set that I really want to try. Sana sipagin akong itry sila lahat at pakita sa inyo. But anyway, let's read the description. So, mix and match with this 3 stars peel off glitter mask. It helps remove blackheads and rejuvenate skin, giving you brighter and radiant, young looking skin. So, first is clean your face with soap and rinse thoroughly with water, then pat dry. Second, apply evenly to face, avoiding the eye area, of course. May glitters the best. So, number 3, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes until dry. Gently peel off the mask from bottom top towards top. Then rinse again with warm water. Okay, we'll rinse it again with warm water. So, it has 3 variants. The first one is the Megan Purifying Peel Off Glitter Mask with green tea extract. The other one is the Megan Peel Off Glitter Mask with charcoal extract. And the last one is the Megan Brightening Peel Off Glitter Mask with rose extract. So, this is how it looks like. Ayan na, pabukas na. So, ang maganda dito, naka-indicate din dito yung expiration date. Yung expiration date nila sa box. Very simple and cute lang ng packaging niya. So, I think this one is already 8 ml. Pag titignan nyo guys, medyo onti yung nasa likod. We'll see if it's already enough on our face. So, this one is the one that I wanted to try tonight. Pag sinibag ako, I'll be showing everything for you. So, ito, when you open it, yan. This one is paper. And, ayan, meron siyang plastic here. Ayan, so first, I need to wash my face using their, binigay rin nilang Mega 98% aloe vera extract. Ayan. Let me try it. So, there, I like the feeling of this one. It's very fresh on the face. Has no scrub, but I like it. Going back to the main product. So, here, ito na siya. Ang ating, excited na ako ilagay siya sa mukha ko. I wanna see the glitters. Lahat ng gamit ko, mostly may glitters. Talagang mahilig po talaga ako sa glitters. Ayan. So, yes. Ay, dumidikit siya, oh. Dumikit na siya dito sa part na to. Sige. Anyway. Ooh. Wow. Teka lang. Feeling ko maubos ko to. Feeling ko lang. Ang kalat, bes. Bakit parang di masyado nakikita yung glitters? Teka lang, ah. Ayaw masyadong nakikita. Teka, tapusin ko lang, ah. I'll be back. So, ayan. Na-applyan ko na yung face ko. Bakit po kunti lang ng glitters? Nag-expect ako ng maraming glitters. Ayan, hindi ko masyadong, pink siya, diba? Hindi ko makita na pink siya sa face ko. Kasi hindi ko masyado makita yung mga glitters. Ayan. So, feeling ko pwede ko pa gamitin tong iba next time. Well, anyway. I'll be back after 15 minutes or until it's dry. So, yan guys, nag-dry na siya. I cannot move my face anymore. Pero, nalungkot lang ako kasi nag-expect ako sa glitters. Pero baka yung pag ibang kulay yung linagay ko, baka makita natin yung glitters. Tapos, siguro to. Itatry natin to next time. Tsaka ito. Baka pag ito ay kumulay. Oh my gosh, hindi talaga ako makasama. Parang akong binotox. I think guys, you're ready to peel it off. Ang hirap naman alisin. Oh my god. Aray! Grabe yung pag-tighten niya. Parang ayaw niya magpaalis. Oh. Hala. Wait lang. Oh. Ayan na. Ooh. So, yung klinay ko ngayon is yung, ito siya yung, masakit. Namula na naman yung face ko. Tignan natin. Pumuti nga. Wow. Parang medyo nag-brighten na. Yes. Yes naman. Hindi ko nga mag-focus. Ayan, unti na lang. Baka next time oh my gosh, nago yung at dumugo. I don't know why. Pag tinanggal nyo naman, sorry na. Parang tinangkat. Pag chinek nyo naman siya, yung mismong ito, pink siya. Talagang favorite ko talaga kasi yung pink. Sorry na. Nahanap ko talaga yung pink. So, for my final thoughts, guys, it brightened my face. It was able to do its job and it added glitters on it kasi nga may glitter siya, peel off mask. Then, I realized, ito lang rin pala yung existing variants ng mga existing mask nila. Linagyan lang nila ng glitters para may something special for the holiday. Tapos, ayun, medyo nalungkot lang ako kasi pinaasa niya ako sa glitters. Akala ko magiging super glittery ng face ko. So, sana sa susunod, mas maraming glitters ilagay nila. So, yun lang naman. Limited edition pa to. I think they're just testing it out. And if a lot of people would like it, I think they will keep on improving it after knowing the thoughts of different vloggers, blah, 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 and so on. I'm looking forward for more products with Megan Beauty. So, ang pinagkaiba to sa dati kong peel of mask na trinay dun sa aking previous video ay namula yung fest ko doon, pero dito hindi naman namula. Even though the mask was really tight. So, this one is better than the green one that I've tried. So, well, itatry ko rin yung other products nila and I'm so excited to share it to you guys. Don't forget to follow Megan.beauty at IG and like their Facebook page. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Kylie D, and like my Facebook page, Kylie D, and subscribe to my channel, Kylie D. Well, that's it for my review. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!